Don't add another bulky, underpowered tool to your clutter. The Stanley 55-116 is the capable default. Choose the Corp for cleaner finishing. Choose by leverage, nail pulling, and finish. For most home repair kits, get the Stanley 55-116 8-inch nail puller. It's narrow, deeply curved, and fits tight jobs, and delivers useful lift. 2 nail pulling positions also make it versatile for boards, stubborn trim, and everyday removal work. It stores easily, too. The rougher edges and visible machining aren't especially refined, and reaching buried nail heads may mark nearby surfaces. Skip it if a polished appearance matters more than leverage and pulling options. If you want a tidier-looking compact tool, choose the Corp 21-2228 inch Prybar and Nail Puller. It handles common household prying and nail removal without taking much storage space. It's also the sensible fallback when the Stanley isn't available. But its shallower curve gives you less lifting travel, and there's no extra pulling notch near the prying end. Skip it if stubborn jobs demand maximum leverage from a short bar. Quick split. Choose the Stanley for stronger lift and more nail-pulling flexibility. Choose the Corp for a neater finish and straightforward household work. Before buying, check your tightest working gaps, expected nail removal jobs, storage space, and tolerance for marks on finished surfaces. Start with the Stanley because its leverage and pulling options cover more home repairs. Switch to the Corp if cleaner finishing matters more than maximum lift. Pick one compact bar, skip the clutter, and get moving. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.